With our program at TMCC, we have had major improvements in our curriculum. We've added more simulations. We embed more lab time, especially for our full-time cohorts, that they get to actually practice hands-on with better equipment than what I used to have. We also have put more effort into the affect of students and helping them be able to grow as people. We support our students. We help them understand they're learning more of the why of what they're doing versus just coming in, taking a class and, oh, look, I get a certification. So we really involve our students a lot more.
The EM STEP program is an innovative effort in combination between TMCC and DETR here in Nevada to give students an opportunity to learn about emergency management careers and then to choose one, and the program continues to support that student's tuition, registration fees, and so forth until they complete a degree program.
So we added a hybrid program so that we can provide those that are maybe changing careers that want to take the EMT class to take that step forward into something that potentially can turn into a real career for them, so that they can learn online and then they come to the end of the semester and do their skills through a boot camp so they can become paramedics, provide higher level of care to their community so that they will hopefully expand within that rural area.